Starring Entertainment.
Ayun, first po, maraming salamat kay Lord. Siyempre, natin si Lord. Thank you, Lord, sa opportunity na to. And Pure Gold, maraming salamat. Direct Chris, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And of course, thank you so much to our actors, Katie Estrada, Alexa Ilagan, Kira Ballinger, and James Lake. And also, I would like to thank my executive producer, Miss Smiley. Miss Smiley, tao po dito. Ano kong iwan? Sabi mo walang iwan na. But maraming salamat po. Ang collab po ay when two popular content creators face conflicts in their respective romantic relationship, they decided to form an unlikely collaboration. So isang malaking collaboration na po. So naniniwala po ako na to win in life, hindi po natin kailangan mag-compete because competition is out, collaboration is in. What? And again, maraming salamat po and ibibigay ko na po ang microphone sa
Hello po, good morning to everybody. My name is Katie Estrada and I just want to thank Direct Jill and of course yung Pure Gold Cinepanalo Film Festival and yung production namin White Space Studios. And yeah, yung character ko po dito si Jared, isa po siyang sikat na vlogger and his girlfriend broke up with him. And hanggang dyan na lang po muna para hindi na po spoiler po sa akin.
Ako po si Alexa Ilagan and I am the girlfriend that broke up with him. So, isang kwento po. Kaya good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ulit si Alexa Ilagan and I play the role of Peach, girlfriend po ni Jared. So, bale, I would also like to take this time and this opportunity to say thank you po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa pelikula namin, ang Collab, sa lahat ng mga supporters po namin. Thank you for hyping us each and every day. And syempre maraming salamat din po sa Pure Gold and Pure Gold Cinepanalo Film Festival. And also to our acting coach, Direk. Thank you so much po. And ayan, thank you for being here and I hope everyone has a great day. Well, medyo nasabi niyo na ano. So, copy-paste, hindi, joke lang. But again, thank you so much everyone. Lalo na to Cinepanalo. Thank you so much for having us. I'm just so happy to be here alongside with many amazing directors and student directors as well. It's so nice to see how inspired everybody is and I'm sure everybody works so hard to make these films come to life. And ayun po, about my character, I play the character of Melody. Very artsy po siya, like me, Pero hindi na no? Our film is very relatable. It evolves around us vloggers and influencers. So I think that's what a lot of people are trying to be nowadays. So I think they would really enjoy our movie. And ayun lang, thank you so much for the support.
Hello everyone, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much Cinepanalo. Just want to say it's very refreshing to do this kind of project. It's my first time working with Direk, first time working with this production, and working with everyone. So I play as Clyde dito sa movie na to. One of the popular content creators that just wants to enjoy life. So yun lang. Thank you so much.